Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances that are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the House of Ajmal. Yes, House of Ajmal, not a brand, because they make everything inside the company. And they are a niche brand. Yes, niche, because they only make fragrances that say they don't make anything else, from the Middle East, from the United Arab Emirates. They have been around more than 30 years, and they are one of those Middle Eastern company that they don't get that much love, that much mention, that much traction. Although they make very good fragrances, especially for the price. I bought few Ajmals before and unboxed, reviewed, and I was so impressed that I had to get more and see what offer they have, what more offers they have. So this one in particular called Ajmal Zeal. Yes, strange name, but it is what it is. Before I do the unboxing, if you find my videos useful, informative, if you find them entertaining or valuable, you know what to do. Hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, you motivate me to make videos like this in future. Thank you very much for the support, and let's go. So as you can see, nice but simple box. By the way, this is under £20. In the United Kingdom you can find it for under £20. Alright, let's go. Sorry about the noise when you do unboxing, you can't do anything about it. So it's like a dark red or brown almost. Quite a nice design to it. Overall, under £20 is quite good. Alright, so the bottle, I had one from Ajmal before. It was called, I think, Fresh, Ajmal Fresh. I think it was a similar bottle, but light green, and that was beautiful fragrance. I don't have it anymore, unfortunately. I gave it away, but I remember it smelled very good, very fresh green fragrance, and also it lasted a long time. So hopefully this one is the same. Alright, so the bottle, very nice design to it. It's quite like a vertical versus whatever they call lines, and the cap is quite nice and heavy, and the atomizer, very good atomizer. Okay, how is Ajmal Zeal? Here we go. First sniff, first impression. They don't disappoint. What a beautiful smell. This is very fresh as well. Fresh, sweet, aromatic, spicy. Okay, so this one reminds me of Dior Sauvage, but there is a big but. This is better in my opinion, because I'm not a big fan of Dior Sauvage. Although I like it, but I'm not crazy about it, and I think it's very simple fragrance, especially for the price, about 80-90 quid for 100 ml. But this one is more complex than Dior Sauvage, but it smells very similar to it, and also for under £20. So you do the math, which one is better for you? Yeah, very close. I would say around 90% close to Dior Sauvage, especially this opening. It's just fruity, fresh, woody, there's a lot of pepperiness to it, and very aromatic. There's a big lavender in here as well, and there's a backbone of woodiness, plus that famous ambroxan in here as well. Here, very big citrus in the beginning. It's like a huge bergamot right now. Yeah, very very fresh. So basically, if you like Dior Sauvage but you don't want to pay the price, this is it. Very very good. I have around maybe 4 or 5 other inspired clone alternative to Sauvage, but this one for the first impression takes the cake. So this one, to my nose, to my experience, this is so far the best one, especially for a price under £20. That is good. As I said, House of Ajmal, every time I unbox and reviewed a fragrance from them, they impressed me, and this is another one, very very impressive. No harshness, no chemical, no synthetic. Obviously for this price point you don't expect 100% natural ingredients. Probably about 5 to 10% natural ingredients and the rest are synthetic elements, but the way they mix everything together, the perfumery, the quality is very very good. It's very palatable, it's very pretty, it's very fresh, it's very uplifting, it's very inviting. Yeah, so far so good. So if you like Dior Sauvage, this is the opening. I'll let you know in the next video the development, the longevity and things like that, but experience tells me that House of Ajmal always makes good perfume, plus they are quite long lasting, especially for a price. So for now, 2 thumbs up, yes yes yes, although I'm not a big fan of Dior Sauvage myself, but I can appreciate it for under £20, plus the good perfumery, plus the good quality, plus this is a little bit more complex than Dior Sauvage. Dior Sauvage is very simple. This one is much more layered and complex. Alright guys, thank you very much for joining me. As always, you know what to do, hit those buttons, and if you like to support me by buying one of my own fragrances, they are out of this world. They are super artistic, ultra beast mode, very unique, but you need to live in our kingdom in order to purchase them. I leave the links in the description as well. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye bye bye.